The fear left us a long time ago. We have no fear anymore. We are going to demand good governance from the national government. We are demanding good governance at the county government. We are demanding good governance from the MCS. And we are not going to fear anybody, whether it's the president or whoever it is. We are determined that we are going to hold everybody answerable and accountable to state resources. There's nothing else I have to say. But I want to tell him this. If he thinks that he's going to start scaring people so that people don't run for him as governor, I myself, I will run.
Yes.
I'm going to run.
Yes.
Yes. Nobody is going to intimidate me or intimidate anybody in doing my job. Not the national government, not the county government, not anybody. My job is the people of Kisii give me a job to do, and I will monitor and observe their money, how it's being utilized. So he doesn't want us to attend this audit to disclose how they have been stealing the money. They're stealing our money. We know they're stealing our money. We have audit queries. That's what we are looking at here. We are just introducing each other. Protocol requires that we go to his office and say hi and then come here. Why would he fight people who are within his office?
Claims your officers were injured.
Yes, they have been beating this fella here.
I'm only saying I've been beaten.
They have been beating this guy. I mean, this mediocrity and stupidity has to stop. Leadership, you don't use violence to fight people who disagree with you. Look at what we have done with a young man called Onyonka in Migori. We just killed him for blogging. What is wrong with us? And if you kill a young, you think there isn't another one who's going to blog. Me, myself, I'm blogging today. Why don't you come and kill me? This nonsense has to stop.